Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to remove any bookmarks that you have saved in your Google Chrome browser that is associated with your Google Classrooms. So as you can see up here at the top on my bookmark bar, I have a bookmark called GTMS EdTech All. And this is a direct bookmark to my Google Classroom. Now, if you are going to delete and archive any classes and you have them bookmarked in your bookmark bar or in a bookmark folder, you're going to want to remove those bookmarks. So for this example here, I am going to simply hover over the GTMS EdTech, and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to select delete from the drop down menu, and it removes it from my bookmark bar immediately. Now, if I wanted to, I'm going to add another bookmark. Now, if that bookmark was not in my bookmark bar, then I would have to go into my three dot menu, go into the bookmarks. I can scroll through here to see actually what bookmarks are on my bookmark bar, or I can go into the Bookmark Manager and I can actually see all of my bookmark folders, and I can click on a bookmark in here somewhere, and I can simply click on it, click on the three dots, and then I can delete that bookmark as well. So there's a few ways that you can do it depending on where your bookmark is and how easy it is for you to find it. I hope you found this screencast helpful.